Gemini and ChatGPT give us access to state-of-the-art AI image generation capabilities. I'm Joe, and in this quick tip, we'll explore how to generate images using Nano Banana. When you're getting started, you can directly choose image generation from the Tools menu, or just direct Gemini or ChatGPT to generate an image. We're going to focus on Nano Banana, which is just the name Gemini gave to its image generation tools. Describe the image you would like to generate. Give as much detail as you can. Indicate if you want it in a particular style, or if there are any key elements that should be included. You can give feedback on the outputs and make adjustments or change the style. While the latest models are pretty good at working with text, they occasionally have some issues. If you cannot get things looking the way you want, consider removing the text and adding it using a different image editing tool. Sometimes these tools can get stuck and not understand the adjustments you want. There may come a time when it is best to start a new chat and begin the generation process again. Our current license level should allow you to make 100 images a day using the fast models, or 3 if you were using Pro. These limits are subject to change though. Make sure you generate responsibly. If you are generating content for a communication or website, you should not use AI-generated images of campus buildings or landmarks, or to represent Notre Dame students. Otherwise, let your imagination take you anywhere.